In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn with Wix 2026 guide. If you want your website to reflect your latest professional updates, embedding a LinkedIn post is a quick, reliable way to showcase announcements, articles, or thought leadership without manually updating your site. We'll use Wix's HTML element to display a specific LinkedIn post, and I'll point out a few tips to make sure it looks great and works as expected. First, grab the embed code from LinkedIn. Open LinkedIn in your browser and navigate to the exact post you want to display. This can be from your profile or a company page, as long as the post is publicly visible. Open the post options, usually found under the three dots on the post, and choose Embed this post. LinkedIn will generate an HTML snippet, typically an iframe. Copy that entire code to your clipboard. If you don't see the embed option, double check the post's visibility. Only public posts can be embedded externally. Next, add the HTML element in Wix. Open your site in the Wix editor. In the left panel, click the Add Elements button, and in the search bar, type Embed. From the results, select the Embeds category, then choose the HTML option. Wix will place a customizable code box onto your page. Drag it where you want the post to appear, perhaps in a dedicated Updates section or a sidebar, and align it with your existing layout so it feels native to your design. Now insert and update the code. Click the HTML element you just added and choose Enter Code. Paste the LinkedIn embed code into the field exactly as you copied it, then click Update. The post should render right inside the editor or in preview. If it appears cut off, resize the HTML box using the corner handles until the full post is visible. For a polished experience, switch to Wix's mobile view and adjust the element's size and spacing so it looks clean on smaller screens. Before you publish, be aware of plan requirements. Third-party embeds, including LinkedIn posts and other custom elements, typically require a Wix Premium plan to display correctly to visitors. On a free plan, the element might not render on your live site even if it appears in the editor. If something seems off, first confirm your plan status, then verify the LinkedIn post is public. That's all for this video. If this helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe, and have a good day.